SUI might spike 20.2% by May 12, 30 rates reports. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Today, SUI is up by 16.8% and trades close to the $1.2731 mark. Let's see what the analysts predict today. By May 12, 30 rates expects the asset to be at $1.5453, which would be an increase of roughly 20.2%. CoinLore believes SUI could move upward toward $1.36, a potential increase near 5.8%. Coin price forecast points out the price could rise to $1.30, about 1.1% above current value. A different forecast by Digital Coin Price expects SUI might move down to $1.2485, about 2.9% below now. And in closing, Gov Capital Collector sees the price dipping to $1.0209 by tomorrow, 20.6% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. The analyst views are clear. Let's take the next step. We've seen what each analyst expects. Here's how it adds up. Based on the forecast examined today, the expected price variation could be from a decrease of 20.6% to a gain of 20.2%, depending on the analyst. This means Gov Capital Collector comes in with the top forecast with 20.6% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could receive between $11 and $206 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Coin Price Forecast suggests the most probable outcome, with a 90.6% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Consensus trend suggests SUI could stabilize near $1.2949. Alright, here's the inside view. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 0.7%. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $7 more. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for SUI is estimated near 92.2%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. 30 rates describes the near-term outlook as bullish. An upward path is likewise anticipated by CoinLore. Also, Coin Price Forecast emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Digital Coin Price expects SUI to head lower. A decline is also anticipated by Gov Capital Collector with bearish pressure in play. Integrating all outlooks, the consensus presents a case for SUI moving higher in the near term. From this overview, the majority stance signals SUI could climb in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. As a result, the verified closing price was $1.3324. Only one prediction managed to capture the true direction. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from CoinLore. Let's map it out. 2 forecasts ended up inside the actual range. For ROI, part of the group finished in profit with the strongest outcome at 3.2%. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for CoinLore was 62.9%, with accuracy and 3.2% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's see how tomorrow's projected performance compares among several cryptocurrencies. Toncoin leads the outlook with 8.9% and SUI trails below. At this point, SUI is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If you prefer short, clear updates instead of endless digging through data, hit like and subscribe to stay ahead. See you in the next comparison.